1 pan ground beef and potatoes, ready in just 30 minutes. Easy, cheesy, and delicious. Heat a drizzle of oil in a skillet and add 400 grams, or about 14 ounces, of ground beef. Using a spoon, break up the meat as it cooks over high heat. Let the beef cook over high heat until it's cooked through and nicely browned on the outside. Then add a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir to evenly distribute the salt and pepper. Then remove the beef from the skillet and set it aside for later. Add a little more oil to the same skillet if needed. Then, using the same skillet and keeping the heat high, add 2 potatoes. Cut the potatoes into small pieces, about 1 centimeter thick so they cook quickly. I'm leaving the skins on, but you can peel them first if you prefer. Cook for about 2 minutes. Once the potatoes start to turn golden brown, add 1 chopped onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, all chopped as well. Add a pinch of salt to everything, making sure to season the potatoes too, and give everything a good stir, then cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. For a little heat, use hot smoked paprika. Otherwise, use sweet smoked paprika. Stir everything together and cook for about 10 seconds, just long enough to lightly toast the spices. And then we add half a cup of low-sodium beef broth. Turn the heat up to high and add 1 tablespoon of ketchup and about 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give it a quick stir, then cover the skillet. Cook over medium-low heat for 7 to 9 minutes until the potatoes are tender and can be easily pierced with a fork. For the potatoes to cook that quickly, it's essential to cut them into small pieces, just as I mentioned earlier. Once the potatoes are tender, uncover the skillet and add back the ground beef we set aside earlier, and stir it into the rest of the ingredients. Let me know, do you like this recipe? What city are you watching from? At this point, all that's left to do is sprinkle some cheddar cheese over the top. Cover the skillet, turn off the heat, and let the residual heat melt the cheese. And just like that, you've got an easy 1-pan ground beef and potato dinner, ready in just 30 minutes. Absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There are plenty more delicious recipes like this coming your way. And remember to tell me what city you're watching from. I love reaching people all over the world and knowing where you're watching from. And if you'd like to keep watching more recipes from the channel, here's one I think you'll enjoy. See you in the next video!